This is for the press. As a family, we fully stand with Honorable Khair for Women Rep 2027. Inshallah, this is as in from the larger Sama community. Today, we fully declare for unwavering support for Honorable Khair, who has officially rendered her application for the position of Women Rep for Garissa County in the upcoming election 2027. This bold and timely step reflects her deep commitment to serving the people of Garissa with purpose, vision, and integrity. Our support is rooted in our confidence in her proven leadership, humility, and tireless dedication to the public service and the rights of women, youth, and the marginalized community in Garissa and across the country. Honorable Khair is a strong and dependable and transformative leader whose values is aligned with hope and aspiration for the people of Garissa. Her vision for Garissa County includes champion for the rights and empowerment of women and girls, empowering and supporting youth in education, advocating for the quality and vulnerable people in terms of their support, and promoting unity and inclusive development across all communities. We believe it's time for visionary and value-driven leadership. We are here to support Khair, and I'm very sure she will represent Garissa with dignity, wisdom, and unwavering commitment. We therefore call upon the residents of Garissa County, leaders of all levels, and partners and everybody to stand with us as we begin this beautiful journey with this beautiful leader, inshallah. Let's rise with Khair, one voice. Markanda Khair, Garissa halila da balan sama. Garissa, Garissa, where the